Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. And in this video, I want to share with you a DVD that I just picked up on eBay.com that I'm going to flip on Amazon. I'm going to be sharing with you the exact item that I purchased. I'll even show you proof that I just purchased it. And this is a DVD that I've sold 10 plus times over the last couple of years for 60, 70. I've even sold it upwards to $80 in the past, although the price has come down a little bit. So I'm inside of Replen Catcher right now, and Replen Catcher is a tool that essentially automates the process for me to be able to find undervalued deals on eBay that I could sell on Amazon. When I first started flipping items from eBay to Amazon over 4 years ago, I would literally pick up my phone, I would open up the Amazon seller app, I would go to the newly listed eBay offers, and I would just scan the DVDs literally. And it worked. I ended up sourcing a ton of DVDs, but I was spending 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day sourcing. So about 2 years ago, I developed a tool called Replen Catcher that will literally track millions of products. And when it comes to DVDs, Replen Catcher is tracking 265 DVDs on eBay. Literally 24/7 around the clock. And it's comparing the price on eBay to Amazon. And it pretty much aggregates all the information and just serves you deals on a platter. All you have to do is go in and source them. So inside of Replen Catcher, you can choose a category you want to source from. I chose movies and TV, which is DVDs, and I'm going after new and used DVDs. I set a minimum profit of $5 and 20% ROI. And the reality is I want to source items that make $10 profit, 50, 60, 70% ROI, but I always put the price lower, like my profit criteria and my ROI lower, because I make a lot of best offers. Although, 50% of the deals, I just buy them outright. I don't even make a best offer. But in this example, I'm going to share with you an item that I purchased outright using Replen Catcher. And I just purchased it like 6 minutes ago. Okay. So I set my criteria, and you can see that Replen Catcher brought in 18,440 results, which is incredible. So this is the item that I literally just purchased right here, the Marx Brothers collection. And I purchased it for $25. So let me share with you the purchase. So you can see right here, I just bought the item and I paid $25. This is brand new sealed, excellent condition. And a lot of people ask, like, Steve, can you sell DVDs as new? Like, aren't you going to get in trouble? Don't you need an invoice, this and that? And the reality is you don't need an invoice. Obviously, nowadays, Amazon is cracking down a little bit, but the way that I get around it, and I've sold over 10,000 DVDs in the last 4 years. The way that I get around it is I don't source DVDs that are highly likely to be counterfeit. I don't source DVDs that are like super duper popular, selling like 100 times a month. I don't source DVDs where, an eBay seller has like 10 available. I'm flying under the radar, and I've sold this a bunch in the past. Now, if you want to be a little more careful, go after used DVDs. Matter of fact, there's even more opportunities using Replen Catcher to flip items used onto Amazon FBA. So if you're used to going to thrift stores and buying a lot of used books and DVDs and CDs, then go used if you're not comfortable. I sell new just because I use a prep center. I ship everything to the prep center, and just to be honest, I don't really trust the prep center to inspect it and, make sure that it's working and test it. They're not going to do that. They might inspect it a little bit, but that's why I go after new. It's really easy. The return rates are super low, less than 4%, and the margins are crazy. So let's go in and let's analyze this item together. So check this out right here. It popped up on Replen Catcher for $25, and right now, the 30-day buy box average is around $72, 90 days around $72, 180 is around $66. The lowest FBA is coming in at 104. I don't know how accurate that is, but let's go in and let's analyze this deal right now, because if we can sell it for $72, that's going to come to 127% ROI. It is a 54,000 rank. It's sold a little less than 4 times over the last month. And that's about a $30 profit. So let's go over and let's confirm if this was a good buy by Rake and Profit or a bad buy. All right, so here we are over on the sales page. And if you see this little pop-up on the left-hand side, this is SellerAmp. This is a tool that I use to be able to get a lot of information about the product. I could check buy box statistics, Keepa data, but most importantly, I can put in the quick info to be able to analyze the deal. So I purchased this for $25, and you can see the offers right here. There's an FBM seller at $60.88, which I'm pretty much ignoring because it's a merchant seller. You can see the next FBM's at $74, $75, $89, and the lowest FBA is $104. Now, I'm not going to price it at $104 unless Keepa tells me differently. So I'm going to scroll down and take a look at this Keepa chart. And you can see right now this purple line. Do you see this purple line right here? This is the buy box winner, okay, for new right here. So you're seeing 75, 75, 69, 73. And you can see right there, that was actually an FBA seller, P. Berg. And then you can see a couple more came in at 77, 81, NorCal Believer 81. And if you take a look on the left-hand side, this seller, matter of fact, NorCal Believer, I see him on like a lot of the DVD listings that I sell on. He won the buy box for 81 and he's not on the listing anymore. So another good thing you could do is hit data right here. And you can go into buy box statistics and you could take a look over a period of time to see what the buy box has been winning at the price. And the check mark means it was an FBA seller. So P-Berg 71, NorCal Believer 76. We had another one, GSG 210 at 64. Let's look over the last year. 79, 74, 81. So it looks like I really don't want to price it higher than $81. I might be able to get more, but again, the merchant's at 60. The lowest FBA is at 104, which is a little bit high. And this is really important too. This lower box with the blue line, you can see the offer count. The offer count is only at 5 offers right now, as you can see on SellerAmp, and there's only one FBA seller. So to be honest, I would probably price this right now at $81.99. Now, if it doesn't sell within maybe a week or two, then I could lower the price. But this looks like a DVD with not a lot of competition. It has a history of selling. You can see all the green drops. Look at all these sales that have been happening over the last month and a half. They're happening all day long for anywhere between 65 upwards to 77. Now, this is an item that I have sold before over $80. So I'm pretty confident I can get $81.99 at $25 purchase price and selling it for 81. That's a $39 profit, 157% ROI. This is why Replen Catcher is so powerful. It literally just pulls in all the deals for you. And what's even better is you could put, like I said, the ROI and the profit a lot lower, bring in deals that are only 20, 25, 30%, make a best offer, turn it into a 60, 70, 80% ROI. So this is a fantastic deal right here. And again, this is an item that I've sold many times before in the past. Now, another great thing about using Replen Catcher is you can literally refresh it and you can see if there's any more deals that are available. So I literally just refreshed it and another deal just popped up right here, which is a best offer. And you can see that this is for sale for 20, selling for 55. Now, this item is around a 23,000 rank, so it is a fast seller. So I'd want to go in and make sure, the buyer's good, which it's coming in at 0% feedback. I'm not sure. Maybe that's an error on Replen Catcher's end, but I'd want to go in and analyze this deal. Now, one of the things I really don't like about this is this seller's has got a stock photo. If they did have like 3,000 or 4,000 feedback and 100% positive, which it's not showing their feedback count, I guess. So I would probably ignore this item. But, it's certainly an opportunity for some people. Of course, if it came in and it, didn't look right or it was damaged, you could always return it on eBay, which is great. But yeah, there's literally hundreds of thousands of deals that you can source from Replen Catcher. Here's another one right here, National Geographic, Wildlife. Buy it for $34.95. It's selling for $99 right now. And I got my cat jumping in a bag next to me. So excuse me if it's getting loud over here. He's getting excited about this DVD. It is 119,000 rank, but definitely some potential right here. So I'm going to keep sourcing. I'm going to keep looking through these 18,000 results. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to keep making videos like this, sharing the items I'm picking up on eBay and selling. If you've been following me for any duration of time, this is what I do full time. I buy products like toys, books, DVDs, CDs, electronics, tools on eBay, and then I flip them on Amazon. And this is what I've been doing for the last 4 years. Before that, I only thrifted library sales, but now I'm 100% virtual, which means, I don't even leave my house to buy products. I have them all coming to me. And if you're a bookseller, get in here, start sourcing books. Replen Catcher is tracking over 600,000 books. So yeah, just want to make this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to check out Replen Catcher, you can go to replencatcher.com and try it out for free. But with that being said, much love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.